Start with freelance, the third choice between employee and business. When your knowledge and your experience is a beginner to intermediate, you will produce an income usually lower than an employee's. You have a normal stress level and you have breaks quite often. You don't have a schedule from 9 to 5. You work from wherever you want, whenever you want. And most importantly, you can generate income much faster than employee or get hired. Just as soon as you finish your first mid-level project and you start your second one. Freelance is recommended at the beginning of the practice and it serves as an additional income after you get hired, as long as your level and your experience didn't reach senior plus. About freelance, we'll talk more when you're ready for level 3, where freelance can surpass the employee and the business in opportunities. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join Adopt and apply.